Get up.
Get up.
Spin around.
Spin around.
Crack open.
Crack open.
Flip up.
Flip up.
Pump out.
Pump out.
Take off.
Take off.
Peel off.
Peel off.
Scoop out.
Scoop out.
Twist off.
Twist off.
Screw on.
Screw on.
Pop out.
Pop out.
Tear open.
Tear open.
Pull out.
Pull out.
Push in.
Push in.
Drop in.
Drop in.
Dip in.
Dip in.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Shake up.
Shake up.
Squeeze out.
Squeeze out.
Roll out.
Roll out.
Roll up.
Roll up.
Button up.
Button up.
Do up.
Do up.
Buckle up.
Buckle up.
Tie up.
Tie up.
Tuck in.
Tuck in.
Lace up.
Lace up.
Ring out.
Ring out.
Put in.
Put in.
Take out.
Take out.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Put down.
Put down.
Scroll up.
Scroll up.
Scroll down.
Scroll down.
Break off.
Break off.
Spread out.
Spread out.
Fill up.
Fill up.
Fill up.
Fill up.
Pour out.
Pour out.
Turn on.
Turn on.
Well done! You have learned phrasal verbs in English and how they are used in daily conversation. Watch again, repeat the verbs out loud, and try using them in your own sentences. Practice regularly and phrasal verbs will become easier and more natural. See you in the next lesson.